Mihira, choosing the right walking aid depends on several factors, including your specific needs, strength, and balance. A walker provides maximum support but can limit mobility. A cane offers less support but allows for greater independence. We can also explore options like crutches or forearm crutches. Consider your environment and daily activities when making a decision. Remember, the goal is to find an aid that promotes safety and enhances your ability to participate in desired activities.
I'm worried about relying on a walking aid. It makes me feel less independent.
Mihira, it's understandable to feel that way. However, using a walking aid can actually prevent falls and injuries, ultimately increasing your independence in the long run. We can work on building your confidence and strength to minimize reliance on the aid over time. Mihira, I'm so sorry you're dealing with this painful nail issue on top of your hip recovery. It's completely understandable that you're concerned. From what you've described, it sounds like you have a nail that has pierced or staked the skin around your toe, which is likely a form of an ingrown toenail. The most probable cause, especially given your recent fall, is a direct injury. The trauma and pressure from that event could have caused the nail to grow improperly into the skin, or perhaps it was aggravated by the change in how you were walking or the shoes you were wearing in the days following the fall. While improper nail trimming is a common cause for ingrown nails, and aging can make our nails more prone to issues, in your case, it's most likely the fall that was the primary trigger. Your body is still healing from the hip dislocation, and sometimes even minor injuries can become a bigger issue when you're already in a fragile state of recovery. We'll make sure to address this so you can focus on getting back on your feet comfortably.